Hello, great people. Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm John Bex FX. Um, I want to show you. I want to show you the best strategy you can use to trade your boom and crash. Okay. This setting you're seeing on my screen already. This is the best you can ever use to trade your boom and crash. Okay. If this strategy will help you, if you want to trade spike, this strategy is going to help you. If you want to buy if you want to trade candlesticks, if you want to buy this um, pattern will help you, right? This indicators is going to help you. This setting is going to help you. So this is what this video is all about. So right now you can see my screen already. All right, okay. I'm expecting spike here. I'm expecting spike. So I'm waiting for that to come in case you see any spike. So don't ask. It just happened. So I'm expecting that already. So when it happens, I won't be shocked. All right. So before I go further, I want to appeal to you to look down your screen, okay? Subscribe to my channel, right? And turn up your notifications for more of this video as they come in, so you can access them. Okay? So you have to turn up your notification and share my video, right? Share my video and tap that like my video, right? All of this, by doing all of this, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you. All right. And at the end of this video too, I will be dropping at the description of this video, I'll be dropping my Telegram link. I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp link. Okay. So all you need to do is to hit me up by those means of reaching out to me. My Telegram link and my WhatsApp link, okay, for questioning, for us to get together and win this, okay, because the main target for this is to win, all right, is to win. Okay, let me not waste much of your time and let's go straight to the business of the day. Why I am here. I'm about to show you. The video I'm about to show you is video that can help is a setting that can help you as a beginner how to grow your account, okay, that can help you and grow your account to that dream account you wish for yourself. This setting will help you and achieve that. All right, this setting will also help you in times of spike. In case you're trading spike, this setting will help you. This setting will also help you to buy the candles. I mean, in case you want to buy like this, I'm trading boom 1000, okay. I'm trading boom 1000. So on a situation like this, in boom, whenever I'm trading boom, so my expectation each time I'm trading boom is the spike, okay. I want to catch the spike. That's what I do whenever I'm trading boom, okay. I don't go after all of this. I don't go after all of this. I want this. I want the spike, okay. That's why I know some of you out there, you want to trade this, want to trade the candlesticks. All right, you want to trade the candlestick, okay. This video is also going to guide you on that. All right, so watch what I am going to be showing you. All right, I have my indicators this area already. I have my indicators here. So now I'm going to delete this indicator. So I can show you how you can have this kind of setup, and do your thing, trade so that you can trade to win. All right, so I'm going to show you. All right, if you watch on your screen, okay, you're going to see the F icon. So what you do is to just touch the F icon. So now I am looking for my relative strength index, okay, my RSI. Okay, I've seen it. All right, I have period 14. I have applied to close. I have styles. I have 2 peso. I have color. All right, color is optional. Like I choose this blue because I think it's going to help me it's going to help me to identify. It's going to help me to identify my screen clearly, in a clearly way. So that is why I choose blue. So on your case, You can make any choice of your color, all right? So again, okay, the level now, I'm talking about the level. I have level 90 and 10, all right? So I am done with this first now. The next thing I want to do, the next thing you want to do is to look up your screen. You see the done icon, you tap on it. So it's done, right? So I have my relative strength index here now. You can see it on my screen. Okay, this is it. So this market is on downtrend. Okay, now I am expecting spike, right? You can see my level. This is level 10. So whenever it comes to this level 10, this is a support area. So you want to buy, in case you want to buy. So when it hits here, this level 90, you want to sell, in case you want to sell. So now you can see the relative strength index on the area of level 10, all right? So the next indicator I'm going to be looking for is the moving average, okay? Which you are going back, you check on your screen up, you see the F icon, you tap on it. Okay, you tap on the indicator window 1. Okay, it's going to guide you up. So you look for the moving average. Okay, I've seen it. So now I have pure 20, I have shift 0, I have method, linear weights, I have apply to close, styles, I have 4 pixel, red. Like I told you, your color is your problem, all right? Your color is your problem. It's optional, all right? Level, no. I have nothing to do with level here. So what I'm going to do now is to touch the done button. So it is done. Now you can see my moving. You can see my moving average here. This red, the red line is my moving average. So whenever this red line touches this blue line, so what I should be expecting is spike. So now you can see now this red line now is very close to the blue line. So now once the red line touches this blue line, it's spiking up, all right? There's no two ways about that. So you watch out. I've told you already I'm expecting spike. So now the next indicator I'm going to be looking for again. So I'm still going back up. So I'm looking for market facilitation index. All right. So found it here. So I have it here. Now I have volumes, I have tick, I have line weight, I have pixel 3, I have ties, I have MFI up, volume up, I have MFI down, volume down, I have MFI up, volume down, and I have this MFI down, volume up. All right, so colors, like I told you, is still optional. The color is your choice. All right, so I am done with this first now. So I'm tapping done button. So it is done now. You can see this area, you can see this area, this volume area. You can see the black volume area at the bottom here. You can see them. This is the market facilitation index. Okay, you can see this. So they also help you to monitor the market, okay? The movement of the market, your chart, they help you to monitor them, all right? So whenever you see spike, that's why you get things like this. That's why you see things like this. You see this? So that's why you get things like this. Whenever you see spike, that's when you get things like this, all right? So they help you to monitor the market. And you know price action is key in this business. Price action is key. So if you don't know how to go about that, so that's why I said you should turn on your notification and subscribe to my channel, because I will be talking about price action in my next video, all right? So subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification, all right? And hit me up on my Telegram link and my WhatsApp link, which I am going to be dropping at the description of this video. So all of that, I want to agree with you. I want to agree that you've done that. Thank you very much, guys. So further to what we are saying already, what I was saying. So you can see my indicator is ready now. You can see my indicator is ready. So I'm waiting for this red line. Now once it touches the blue line now, the next thing you see is spike. All right? The next thing you see is spike. The next thing you see is spike. So always be patient enough. Always be patient enough if you want to catch a spike. And monitor the market this way. Have your setup on your screen and watch for the market to get to your area of interest, and then you can just enter. Like now, if I want to be trading the candlesticks, if I want to buy in this market, which I don't normally do, what I do in, if I'm trading bull, I want to catch spike. If I am trading crash, I want to catch spike. Okay, I don't trade the candlesticks. Okay, so now if you case you want to trade the candlestick, all right, this setup will also help you to set it. We also show you the way forward, all right. Like now you can see this. Like whenever you see this, whenever you have spike like this, whenever you have spike, so the next thing you want to do is to wait for these candlesticks to count like up to 7 candlestick. I advise you to wait till candle till 7 to 10 candlestick, and then after then you can enter your trade. If you want to buy, you can buy. All right, but don't just because you see spike and the next thing you want to do is to enter buy. All right, because sometimes the buy the candlestick might just come one and the next thing is spike up again. All right, so this market is something that doesn't, you don't, as much as you are expecting from the market is also expecting from you. So what you do is to take your time, identify your area of interest, and wait for the market to get to that point, and then you can think on how to buy or sell. All right, now if I want to advise you, just as I do my own thing too, now I have these 2 levels. I have this level 90. In this case, because I want spike, so I want this market to get to this level 90. All right, I will wait for this market to get to this level 90 for me to think of selling. Sorry. So if I am to buy too, I want this market to get to this level of 10. I want it to get to this level of 10, and then I'll use my horizontal line and check those and identify those areas that were rejection. All those areas that they were rejection. So I will identify those areas, and then the next thing I want to do is to identify the area I'm going to be putting my XL, and the area I'm going to be putting my TP. All right. So all of this is necessary. And again, I'll look down my log size. My log size, I work on my log size. So I don't want a log size that will turn me on, like that I want to finish up my account. So as a beginner, I am saying this because of you as a beginner. So always watch out for your log size. Okay, your log size really matter as a beginner, right? So, and again, one thing I advise my student is this: before you want to talk about live account, make sure you are very perfect, you are so good with your demo account. Use your demo account first, practice with your demo account, know this market, know the rules very well, know how to set things, know how the setup works very well before you think of your real account. So I always advise my students on that. Okay, on that. Now let me show you guys something. Now if you watch this market, whenever this red line touches the blue line, you can always see spike. Like if you see here, there was a touch 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 here. So that was why this spike, that was why you got this spike. Okay, that was how you got this spike. And if you trace it down, most of the places this red line have touched, the red line have touched the blue line, you always experience spike. So if you watch there, or if it goes up, if it goes above the blue line too, you experience spike. So that's why you see all this spike. Now if you see here too, you can agree with me that the red line touched the blue line. You see it here, you can see it yourself, and that was why you got this. That was how this long spike came about, and the same thing happens here. So if you want to check down, you can be screwing down, you can be checking back. You can always get situation like that. Now if you watch here now, you see there's a touch here, there was a touch here, there was a touch here, there was a touch, and that was why this spike happened. If you watch here again, there was a touch, there was a touch, there was a touch here. That was why this spike happened. So if you want to be more sure of that, so you can trace back, you know, see the happening, see the happening in the past. So now you can see here too. Look at the spike. That was a touch. That was a touch. All right. Keep doing that. You will notice that. So now, whenever you see the red line, all right. I told you I was expecting spike. You see, the red line I've just touched. You can see that the moving average I've just touched the relative strength index. That was why this spike came. All right, you can see it. All right, guys. I'm going to be saying goodbye on this video here now, and I trust you have subscribed to my channel, right? Subscribe to my channel, and I wish you success in your trade. All right, turn up your notification. I'm going to be dropping more videos. All right. Thank you, guys, and stay blessed.